Welcome again to Mr. Benjamin's Math World. In our previous video, we worked on truth table for each one of the symbols. Now, we are going to work with combinations of symbols in one expression. And here is the example. The most important is to know how to break the expression in parts, how to unassemble the expression. The first two variables, P and Q, and the combinations that we already know. These combinations never change. True and true, true, false, false and true, false and false. The other variable that we need will be no P. It's right here, no P. I also have no Q. I also have P or Q. And then I have no Q and P. And then I have no P implication P or Q. Remember that I already have no P and I have P or Q. Now I need this expression, this part of the expression. I'm going to call this part of the expression, I'm going to call it A. For reasons of space, this will be A. And the last expression will always be the complete expression, which is this one here. And again, I'm going to call it B for reasons of space, like I said. This will be B. Now that I have the table broken into parts, I'm going to work it out. No P is a negative, means no P. This is P. The opposite of true is false. The opposite of true is false. The opposite of false is true. The opposite of false is true. No Q. This is Q. The opposite of true is false. Opposite of false is true. Opposite of true is false. Opposite of false is true. P or Q. My statement, the previous video was, and if you did not watch my previous video, my advice is that you go back and watch it. The statement was, I want Pedro or Carlos to attend the party. I want Pedro or Carlos to attend the party. But if both of them attend, I will be happy anyway. Pedro or Carlos, P or Q. This is P, this is Q. P or Q, P, Q, Pedro or Carlos. Pedro attended, Carlos also attended, so this is true. Pedro attended, Carlos did not, but at least one of them, and will be true, so this is true. Pedro or Carlos, Pedro did not attend, Carlos attended, is also true. Pedro did not attend, Carlos did not attend either, so this is false. Because none of them attended, and at least one of them should have attended. The next one says no Q and P. The symbol and. No Q and P. I have no Q right here, and I have P right here. So I'm going to work with these two columns, no Q and P. I want Pedro and Carlos to attend the party. Both have to attend. Both of them. I want Pedro and Carlos to attend. Both. This one did not attend, so this is false. Both attended, Pedro and Carlos, so this is true. None of them attended, so this is false. One of them attended, the other one did not, so this is false because it says and. And means both, so this is false. letter A, and we said letter A is this part of the expression with the symbol implication if then. No P, this is no P, and this is P or Q. So I'm going to work with these two columns, this one and this one here. Implication says if then. My statement, if I go to the movies, I will get you an ice cream. If I go to the movies, I will get you an ice cream. I didn't go to the movies, I got you your ice cream. But you are happy because the important thing here is the ice cream. So you are happy about that. You got your ice cream. So this is true. If I go to the movies, I'll get you ice cream. I didn't go to the movies, but I got you your ice cream. You are happy anyways. So this is true. I went to the movies. I got you your ice cream. So this is true. It's also correct. I went to the movies. I did not get you your ice cream. So you are unhappy. So this is false. And the last statement B is the complete one. And the symbol between them is double implication. The double implication says if and only if then. Here is example. I'm going to work with letter A, this is A, and letter B. Okay, letter B is the complete one. Working with letter A and this part of the statement. Letter A, it's right here, and no Q and P, these two. Letter A and no Q and P. The statement and the symbol between them, if and only if. And the direction is important. This is from A, beginning A, to no Q and P. So I'm starting here. If and only if I go to the movies, I will get your ice cream. If and only if I go to the movies, I will get you your ice cream. It means that if I do not go to the movies, I don't have to get your ice cream. And if I get you an ice cream that is not the one that I bought at the movies, you will not be happy about it. I went to the movies, true. I went to the movies, true. I did not get your ice cream, so you are unhappy, is false. I went to the movies, I got your ice cream, you are happy, this is true. I went to the movies, I did not get your ice cream, so you are unhappy, is false. I didn't go to the movies, I didn't get your ice cream, but you cannot be angry about that because I told you that if I go to the movies, I'll get your ice cream. So if I don't go, I don't have to get your ice cream, though this is also true. When the last statement, when the last one, the complete one, the result is a combination of false and truths, the name is contingency. And this is the way you work out the truth tables. If you think this was a useful video, feel free to subscribe and activate the bell in order to receive all the notifications. Also, if you have a specific topic you are interested, just write it down on your comment. See you next class.